Oh.
Didn't she bring a second one over before?
I thought so.
You got lost in the shuffle.
I'm so excited. Cool, more crazy art. Oh, no, crazier.
You've got like the ultimate comic book and video supply collection.
My own tape. My own 2 rolls of tape.
Oh, now you can stop stealing mine.
Yeah.
Let me see, Maddie.
And get out. I'll get the cutest one. My own stapler.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
My own Cinderella. Hey, a mitten.
Oh, that's from Maddie. Maddie picked the...
That's for Ben.
I know, that's for Ben Ben. You picked that out just for him.
Yeah. Totally Ben. I got Hawkeye.
Sweet, let me see.
Like, I got Hawkeye.
Mhm.
Hey, how do you rip this?
You just gotta rip it.
Oh, wow.
I can't.
Do you need help?
Oh, wait, here's the last and biggest one yet.
Did you rip through all those presents already, Ben Ben?
Yes, I did.
Good Lord.
Yes, I did. Well, I don't need any help. So what is this, baby? What is this? What are you? Oh my God! Open already. What are you? Quinjet! Quinjet!
Whoa!
Quinjet!
Whoa!
Whoa!
I got the Quinjet! Mommy and Daddy!
Whoa! Benjamin Lewis, Madison Marion.
Oh my gosh, I love that movie.
I got the Quinjet. Woo. Wow. I'm gonna get this present. I'm gonna this present.
Hmm.
Whew. Well, maybe next year, Hulk set. Maybe next year.
Hey.
The day is young, Ben.
Yeah.